Stop. Before you skip this video, answer one question. Which one is correct? She is in the car. She is in the bus. If you are not sure, stay, because today we are fixing this forever. Welcome to Grammar Simplified. I am going to teach you one word today. Just one word, but one of the most important words in English. In. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when and how to use it. And I have short notes ready for you at the end, so stay till the end. Let's go. Here is the one idea I want you to remember for the whole video. In means something surrounds you, something holds you inside it. That is the whole rule. A room surrounds you. You are in the room. A country surrounds you. You are in the country. A year surrounds you. You are in the year. One idea. Every use of in comes from this. Keep it in your mind as we go. In for place. When you are inside an enclosed space, a room, a building, a container, you use in. She is in the bedroom. He is waiting in the lobby. I left my keys in my bag. The letter is in the envelope. There is no milk in the fridge. Room, lobby, bag, envelope, fridge. All enclosed, all surrounded, all in. Now, an important note for beginners. We say in the kitchen, not at the kitchen. We say in the hospital, not on the hospital. The walls surround you. You are inside, always in. In for location. We use in for countries, cities, and areas. She was born in Japan. He lives in London. They bought a house in the suburbs. I grew up in a small village in the north. Japan, London, the suburbs, the north. These are all spaces that hold you inside, so in. But here's something many learners get wrong. We say in the city, but on the street. Why? Because a city surrounds you. A street is just a surface you walk on. In the city, on the street. Remember that difference. In for time. This is where learners often stop and ask, wait, in is for time too? Yes, and it makes perfect sense. Time surrounds you just like a space does. We use in for parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. These are long parts of the day. They surround your hours, so in. But listen carefully. This is one of the most common mistakes. We do not say in the night, we say at night. We do not say in the noon, we say at noon. Morning, afternoon, evening, in. Night and noon, at. Write that down. We use in for months. In January, in March, in August, in December. Her exam is in June. We usually travel in October. We use in for seasons. In spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. It snows in winter. The flowers bloom in spring. We use in for years and decades. She was born in 1998. Technology changed everything in the 2000s. And we use in for duration, how long something takes or how soon something will happen. She finished the book in 1 day. The train arrives in 5 minutes. I will call you back in an hour. In 5 minutes. In an hour. It means that much time from now. Very common in daily English. In for other important uses. When you talk about language, use in. This is written in English. She spoke in French. When you describe what someone is wearing, use in. The man in the blue shirt is my uncle. She came to the interview in a red dress. You are in your clothes. They surround you. So, in. When you describe a condition or state, use in. He is in pain. She is in a good mood. They are in love. Sorry, he is in a meeting.
The condition surrounds the person, so in. When someone belongs to a group, use in. She is in the army. He plays in a band. I am in a reading club. You are in the group, part of it, so in. Common everyday phrases with in. Learn these. They will make your English sound natural. In the end, she tried many times. In the end, she succeeded. In fact, I thought it was hard. In fact, it was very easy. In general, people here are very friendly. In a hurry, she left in a hurry and forgot her bag. In time, we arrived just in time for the bus. In person, we finally met in person after many calls. In common, we have a lot in common. In touch, let's stay in touch after the course ends. Here are your short notes. Save this, screenshot it, write it in your notebook. Place, enclosed spaces, in the room, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the garden, in the office. Place, buildings, in a house, in a hospital, in a hotel, in a school, in a restaurant. Place, containers, in a bag, in a box, in a pocket, in a fridge, in a drawer, in a wallet. Location, countries, in Nepal, in Japan, in Germany, in France, in India, in Brazil. Location, towns, cities, in Kathmandu, in London, in New York, in Paris, in Tokyo, in Dubai. Location, areas, in the north, in the south, in the suburbs, in the countryside, in the city center. Time, parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Remember, at night, not in the night. Remember, at noon, not in the noon. Time, months, in January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in June, in July, in August, in September, in October, in November, in December. Time, seasons, in spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. Time, years and decades, in 1995, in 2008, in 2023, in the 1980s, in the 90s. Time, duration, in 5 minutes, in an hour, in 2 days, in a week, in 6 months. Language, in English, in French, in Spanish, in Nepali, in Arabic, in Japanese. Appearance, in a suit, in a dress, in a uniform, in a jacket, in casual clothes. State and condition, in pain, in love, in trouble, in danger, in a good mood, in a hurry, in a meeting, in progress. Groups, in the army, in the police, in a band, in a team, in a club, in a class. Common phrases, in the end, in fact, in general, in time, in a hurry, in common, in touch, in person, in detail, in public, in private, in cash. The one rule. Never forget this. In means something surrounds you or holds you inside it. A space, a time, a language, a condition, a group. If it wraps around you, use in. And that is in completely covered. Now practice. Write 2 sentences in the comments, one for place, one for time. I read every comment, and I will help you if you make a mistake. No judgment, only learning. If this helped you, like the video. It helps this channel reach more learners just like you. Next video, we go deep into on. Same style, full examples, short notes at the end. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing every single day.